Hello everyone, I'm a recent teacher who has just embarked on the extraordinary adventure of education, and I think I need some guidance from a more experienced teacher. I heard about Match the Mentor through Facebook, and I think it would be a useful tool for me. I decided to sign up the platform, so I will do it right now. I will access the website of Match the Mentor. I will click in Start here and find a mentor. I will fill all fields here. I will click Yes. I will give my I'm fully informed, and my email. Country of residence, Portugal. Username, password, and then I will click Next. Now I will fill personal info. My first name and last. I will upload a profile picture. I will choose a nice one. This one. And I will write something about me. I will write I'm a recent history teacher. Teacher who needs help. Favorite hobbies: sports, traveling, reading. It's enough. Age group: this one. My birth date, January 21. And I will select female and master degree. And then I will click Next. Then I will fill the professional information. So I will select, this is my first year as a teacher, and I teach in primary education in Portugal, in ABC school. It's a public school, ABC. What subjects do you teach? So I'm a history teacher. What roles do you play in the teacher training system? I'm a teacher. Did you ever participate in teacher induction program? No. Did you ever participate in mentoring program? No. And I will click Next. Now I will fill induction and mentoring section. So, what are your expectations of the mentoring relationship? So I need guidance and support, and management of relationship with students. What are your strengths? Maybe I think active listening, openness to diversity, and communication. Would you define yourself in personal terms? Oh, I think I'm a learner, and a communicator and a listener, and maybe innovator. I will select another one. I think reflector. Would you like to be a mentee or a mentor of both? I would like to be a mentee, and I will click next. So now let's fill the matching section. For you, it is important that the mentor is from the same disciplinary area. Yes, for me it is important. For you, is it important that the mentor has similar personal characteristics to yours? Yes, I will select yes. If you have answered yes to the previous question, please select from the characteristics present that the ones you consider most relevant. Okay, maybe father, inspire, and communicator, listener, and maybe teacher and coach. I will select another one, maybe networker. What expectations do you have of your role as a mentee? Okay, maybe boost confidence and motivation, and opportunity, maybe improve communication and personal skills. And that's enough. What support would you like to receive from the mentor? So I will select organization and time management, student-teacher relationships, parent communication and guidance, and maybe management of student behavior. I will select another one, maybe teaching methodologies. What will be the best way to communicate with your mentor? Well, maybe email, and I'm always online on WhatsApp, And would you be available to participate in a mentoring program? Yes, I would like to. How many hours per month are you available to participate to mentoring program? 8 hours, I will select. And next, right now I will submit my answers, and that's it. Very easy. Thanks for watching.